engine mounts are off. The back one, gearbox one, engine one. Now, this should come out. Thank fuck that stopped me. Whew. We put dent in the fucking point now though. Nope. Oh. Should come out. Big time. Come up with an engine here. Mind out of the way, mind away from this engine. Yes. Yeah. You eat them, honey. Oh, right, yeah, please, yeah, chuck them there and I'll eat them. Thank you. That's the back of it. So you've seen the front already. Now that's the back. You can actually see inside, look. Look at the state of all that. Totally destroyed. You can actually see the conrod has completely gone. Look at that. Frickin' hell. There's no point in me even taking this engine apart to show you guys because you can clearly see the damage. And then that one as well. And there's the piston right there, the piston ring's there. There's the other piston ring. Now that is what you call damage. I think the other one is quite sharp in there. So yeah, and then obviously that's the rest of it there. Bloody hell. You can see right through the other side. There you go, look, if I put my hand through here. See? Just took the old gearbox off. Do you really think that's gone through some water? Because I think that's a bit rusty. What the hell are they on about? Going for a little puddle. It looks like it's been through a freaking swamp or river. What do you guys reckon? Let me know in the comments, please. I've just whipped the old gearbox off. I didn't bother recording it because everyone's seen a gearbox been taken out and inspected the clutch and everything. It looks like it's had a new clutch and it's had a new slave cylinder, so that's a bonus. I've checked the cam belt. That looks like it's in really good quality and no major things or anything. That looks like it hasn't been long done. Obviously this engine's only done 60,000 miles, which is not far off the other one. I've put it all back together now, so what I've got to do now is I've basically got to put the cap back onto here. Just put the drive shaft on. What else? That's all on. Yeah, so basically check all the pipes. I've noticed that they've cut this one off and cut this one off, so what I'll do is I'll replace this one now because it might be a nightmare to get to now. Oh yeah, I've got to show you, right, you can clearly see that when this went in, look at the state of this inside there. Don't know if you guys can see it, but it's obviously these two channels have had water going straight into it, and these were the two that actually failed. Let's whack this in. Do not want this coming down and breaking the sump of this engine or destroying this engine, so I'm just going to double this up. Right, I'm just going to check everything, make sure everything's all on. That's all on, that's all on, that's all on, that's all on, that's all on. This all on, that's all on. All the gearbox bolts all on, yeah, that's on. That's all on. That's just nothing. That's on. That's on. That's on. That's on. That's on. That's on. That's all on. That's all on. Hold. Start motors all done and fine. Okay. Yeah, it all looks good. I should now just literally whack that in there. This is a fun bit. Hello. It's just started raining, isn't it? If you guys, any of you are going to say, why didn't you put a piece of wood on here? Normally I do, but I didn't really think because I've been using it there because I didn't want to get oil on the drive and I haven't got any other bits of wood. This is the fun bit, jiggle it all around. Let's kick that out of the way. Stuck under a rock. Let's just connect that up. Where does it go? It goes like that. It's quite awkward. Got it in. Right, engine's in a little bit. Don't want that trapped. So the old clutch, make sure no cables are trapped. And all the ones that go right round, yep. So that goes on there. You see where the gearbox mount is? That's got to go in there. Like that. And there you go. And like that will go there. And that should line up in here. Just come out again. Yes, that's in. I think it needs to go a bit lower. That's on. Is it in the right bit? Yeah, that's on and all. Bonus. Yeah. New oil filter on. I just realised I didn't get gear oil, so I have to go and get some, which is bloody annoying. All it all came out there. Just got to top it up. I'm going to start this without water, only quickly, just to make sure it starts before I put everything back together. Moment of truth. Will it start? Fingers crossed. Oh, engine's running. So I suppose that's a good thing, isn't it? Airbag lights on for some reason, but that's probably nothing bad. But it seems to be running fine. Listen to that, running sweet as. Obviously all I do is the bumper headlights, the skull panel, and then we're all done. One light on, one more to go, and all I've got to do is do the window wipers and then put the mud guards back in that one, and then that one, and then we're good to call it a day. Engine's all running sweet, so it's been quite a successful engine change actually, to be honest. So anyway, if you like all this, please like and subscribe if you can, and have a good week. See you later.